Hi beauties! So today I'm doing a really quick makeup tutorial to just do this very simple everyday eye look. It's like a mix between a cut crease and a smoky eye. It's just very neutral and very natural and very wearable for every day. This is mostly just using MAC products and I'll have them all listed below. And this is a collab with one of my great YouTube friends. So make sure to check out her video as well. If you want to see how I got this look, watch now. So first I grabbed this black eyeliner and I lined my upper waterlines. And I also lined the very outer part of my bottom waterlines and did a little wing out. And then I just smudged it a little bit to create a bigger wing. Then I got a MAC paint pot and I put that all over my lid all the way to my eyebrow. Next I grabbed this red shade and I also grabbed my eyeliner pencil so I can make a smoother, cleaner line, and I put that in my crease all the way to the pencil. I also put it on my outer corners and kind of winged it out a little bit to the pencil. Then I just blended that all out. Next I grabbed this nude type of tan color and I put it on my outer corners and I blended that into the middle of my lid. Then I grabbed this dark red plum color and just really lightly lined my upper lash line and winged that out, as well as lining my lower lash line. Then I just got this flat brush and sprayed it with MAC Fix Plus and got this rose shimmery shadow and put that on the center of my lid in my inner corner. Next, I lined my upper lash line with a liquid eyeliner in black and I winged it out as well. Then I curled my lashes and applied a lot of mascara to my upper lashes and really flared it out, as well as applying a little bit to my bottom lashes. And that is my final look, and it's very wearable, very sexy, very cute look, and it's good for every day or a special occasion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and just comment if you want to see something else. Bye beauties, love you.